Hey YouTubers. Yeah, I'm on my phone. I had a webcam set up on my hunting hat, and it keeps cutting out. And I jumped a bird and I got him, but he's still fucking living. He's still fucking living. So I'm waiting for him to croak because I can't shoot him again. He's got to fly. He's got to fly. But so I'm gonna just sit here, wait till he goes, and like I said, I can't shoot him. So we'll just wait, and I'll figure out the webcam. But trial by error. It kept on cutting out on me. But I'll see you guys on the next video, and hopefully I can get this webcam going, because it was a great shot, man. It was a long distance shot, man. So I must have clipped him with one of the shots out of the 4. So I'll just wait for him to croak. He's slowly getting weaker. Slowly. But I'll catch you guys on the next video. Catch you later. See ya.